My name is Ellen Westrup. I'm a retired critical care nurse, and I've lived in Key West, Florida since 1976. My thumb was hurting, and it came on gradually. It's hard to tell exactly when it started, but finally it became intolerable. I talked to some of the surgeons in our hospital where I work, and Dr. Leffler said, "You need to go see Dr. Badia in Miami. He's a hand surgeon." I had difficulty doing activities in daily living. I couldn't lift the pot off the stove. I'd have to call my son to come and lift the pot off the stove. Isn't that ridiculous? I couldn't swing the mop easily. I couldn't turn the key in the door. It throbbed, it hurt all the time. Sometimes I'd brush my hair and it just hurt. And when it started waking me up at night, because nothing wakes me up at night, I knew I needed help. The pain that would wake me up at night was an 8. And when I would do a motion that I couldn't tolerate, it would be a 10. It wouldn't last forever, but as long as I was trying to do it. And then it would be swollen, and it would be tender to touch. And I thought I don't remember injuring it. And it just came on gradually. So somebody finally explained to me, "You have arthritis." Yeah. Well, I absolutely did not want to take any medication. If there's a problem, I wanted it to be fixed. People told me, well, put hot cloths on it in a hot bath. That would work temporarily, but you still have to go on with your life. So I wasn't sure what treatments were available until I came to see Dr. Badia. After he examined my hand and took some x-rays, he explained that I can get an implant to replace the joint, just as you would a hip or a knee, and it would fix the problem. That sounded wonderful. I actually expected to be in a lot more pain afterwards, and that wasn't true at all. It was actually kind of fast. I mean, I had the splint on, and I couldn't put any pressure on the area, and then I went to physical therapy in Key West with Rosie, and she, helped me with learning the dexterity again and measuring every visit how far I'd gotten. She gave me good advice on that, and eventually I could do everything. Oh, it was like having a new life. I went from being an old woman who couldn't do anything to being an old woman who was functional. See Dr. Badia. It will change your life. You will be so happy. Your pain will be gone. Your function will return. It's like being 19 years old again. This has been an excellent experience for me. Anybody who's struggling with, some people are afraid of surgery. I'm not, because I've had a lot of it and I'm a nurse. But I understand that some people will be, "Oh my God, he's going to cut me and what will happen?" This will be the best thing you ever did.